Welcome back, guys. I'm going to do my best to do a video every Tuesday of a male makeup grooming tutorial, whatever. So thank you for coming back to my channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. YSL Touche Clone Blurring Primer. This I do love. Putting it, this is just a sample. It does have gold reflex in it, but I don't mind it because it gives a little bit of a luminous finish, which I do love. So just prepping the skin, prepping the base, prepping the face, prepping. Alright, so step one is down. This is going to be my second type of look I like to do on me or my models, male or female, but for all the men's out there who are interested in doing makeup, here we go. Alright, step two. I am going in with my NYX color corrector, dark circle color corrector, and medium, just to really cancel out the darkness. And this, in my opinion, is a must-have in every kit. It comes in fair, light, medium, and dark, because this really helps to cancel out a lot of the darkness. Perfect. And I'm just using my fingertips, just because the warmth of the fingertips will help to move around the product a little bit more and blend it out. I put it on the eyelid, just so everything's a little bit more even, and down to that area. Now next, I am going in with Milk, their Luminous Blur Stick. This is becoming a favorite of mine. This is really phenomenal stuff. So obviously just right in the T-zone, just to get that extra coverage of blurring out a lot of my pores. I don't mind the fact that I look at dewy, luminous throughout the day. I actually like it because it tends to make the makeup look more like skin. And we are doing a powder foundation today, so I want it to look dewy and luminous and glowy. The glow from within. Alright, and I'm going to try to keep these videos very short, but we shall see. Only time will tell. So, I am very proud of myself because this is my third video. But Tuesday's Complexion, maybe sometime next year, I might start doing actual tutorials on how to do different types of eye looks on my hooded eyes. So yeah. Next, Damp Beauty Blender, and I am going into the Diamond and Blush palette by Natasha Denona, Darya, and I am going in with what is it? The Duo Glow, the Cream Duo Glow, that stuff right there, because I want to look really glowy today, and this is really hard to do when I don't have my mirror right in front of me. Gotta go in very lightly and just blend it out because this could be really intense. Oh, see? You can already see that pink. So I'm just gonna go over everything and blend it out even more. Actually, let me do this. Here we go. I love these cream duo highlighters because it is very intense. It gives you a really good glow, but it also has that hint of color. And blend it out until the desired look you want. Perfect. And I'm doing this first because I still want it to look natural under my foundation. And do I want to do the diamond? No, we'll leave it at that. Alright, so next. Yeah, that just happened. Oops. Next, I am going in with my Stroke of Light from Bare Minerals. And I'm doing this first because this is definitely a lighter shade than what I would normally wear, but I am going to do it very, very lightly. Actually, fingertips. Bring it down, blend it out. And then, actually, let me bust out this mirror, but gently put it down. Awesome. And just put a little bit of this in the corner of the eyes just to really brighten up the eye area. And then go back through. Just to seep it into the skin a little bit more. And then for foundation today, I am actually going to be going in with, I think a lot of people forgot about it, but the Urban Decay High Definition, Ultra Definition Powder Foundation in Medium Dark Golden. This is a beautiful powder foundation because it is very buildable, great for camera. Looks like skin. You can use it as a setting powder, as a finishing powder. Well, not necessarily, but you can use it on top of your liquid foundations if you want a little bit more of that coverage. And then go right over everything. And this is why I'm using a powder foundation, because I still want the highlight to show through my foundation. All over the eyelid, eye area. Bring it down the neck to even everything out, because I don't want to have my face looking really good and my neck looking all chata. So, really build up to really hide any of the areas that you want that coverage. Or something like that. Perfect. 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 See that glow? See that glow still? Woo! Woo, child! Alright. I think that is good enough. Awesome. Now next, perfect. Matches the arms. It's always the test for me. The chest, well, I'm losing my color, so you still got the glow, which is really nice. Next, I am going to go in with the NARS Orgasm Infatuation, I think. Yes. I'm going in with the Orgasm highlighter in here, which I do love because it's a solid form and I do like the loose form. And just the high points or whatever's left on the brush, just blend it all the way out. All the way out. And repeat, high points, whatever's left on the brush, blend it all the way out. And a little bit right here. And the reason why I highlight all of this is because I have a lot of space there. And I have a big, big, big dome. And then going in with the Laguna bronzer. And we are going to bronze the face. Perfect. Just bronzing the face to add a little bit of shape to the face. Even out both sides. I actually found a new love for this bronzer again because I didn't like it for a little while because I could have sworn they changed the formula, but now it's actually growing on me. Awesome, awesome. So obviously E equals 3 is where I put it, and whatever's left over on the brush, I just contour the nose. And with all of this, my makeup actually does stay on for about a good 10 to 11 hours, which is kind of cool. So Now next, I am going to go ahead and finish with the Hourglass Radiant Light. I'm only going to put this in certain areas where I want it to look very, very lit from within, which is right under my eyes. And this really helps blur out any of the pores you may have, which I have huge pores, down the bridge of the nose. And I also like to do right in the middle of my forehead. Perfect. And then go over everything one last time. And then I am going to go ahead and set with NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And that is it. That is the finished look. Just want to make sure it stays all day. So here's another male complexion look. Sorry, I take off my ring every time I do makeup because I don't want it to get all over my ring. And I'm not gonna do anything to my brows because my brows are pretty predominant as it is. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something new. This is probably some products that you guys do have in your kit. Play with it. Try to get a guy to sit down so you can play with makeup on them. And I forgot my chapstick. My lips are getting real dry. So yeah, hope you guys learned something new. And I will see you next week, Tuesday, next video. And it's going to be a different way of doing a male complexion. So thanks.